In today's video, you're gonna see how I took my seats from this to this absolute beauty, so just keep watching. 4 years ago when I bought this car, I went for the base package. Now with the base package, there's two main differences that catch my eye: this calculator screen and the cloth seats. Now for the calculator screen, I actually installed a new radio and I made a video on that, so make sure to go check it out. Then I realized how crusty my seats are, so I did what any normal person does. So I went right to work and started looking for seat covers and ended up just finding, random one. 4.2 stars. Can't be bad, right? This is gonna be good. I mean, some of the OEM part is exposed, but that's okay, right? Oh, Amazon didn't cut it. So I went to Google and I was looking and looking and looking until I found one website called Kustom Interior, and I decided to check it out. I saw they had seat covers for the Mustang, and right off the bat, this was looking so much better. On top of that, I found out they have like a million colors, so I started looking at all of them. And as I went through them, it was actually pretty refreshing to see some newer designs you don't find on the regular Mustang. It wasn't just a regular black seat, you could get other types too, and all of them looked good. So after looking for a bit, the one that caught my eye was the all black with Alcantara accent and white stitching, because I think it matched my interior the most. If you take a look at my interior, it already has white stitching on the steering wheel, on other parts of the car, so that seat cover made the most sense for me, so I pulled the trigger. Fast forward a couple days and I get the package in this beautiful box and I got to work. Okay, so I went straight to installing it by first taking off my seat. Now here in the video, I'm showing you guys where I was taking it off, all the points on the car, and I'm just gonna let you guys know my floor is filthy, and that's also another reason I took the seat off. I wanted to clean it. Don't worry, I got it cleaned. We took the seat out and completely transformed it. Now I'm not your average reviewer. We're gonna go skip to the future when I put thousands on thousands of miles to see how good this seat lasts. Okay, since you guys got a little glimpse of how it was installed, this is how the final look is. Now, I'm recording this 2 months in advance. Wait, no. This is 2 months in the future, so these seats have been sat on for the past 2 months. As y'all can see, we got the back seats, we got the front seats, even the seat I'm sitting on is done. These seat covers are perfect for basically everybody. It's self-explanatory. If you have the base model, you want to upgrade those seats. Now, if you have a premium, I would say highly consider picking up these as well, because when you put these seat covers on, not only do they look better than OEM, but they protect your factory seats. So when you get around the time you want to sell it or let go of that Mustang, your seats are gonna look pristine, and that's a really big selling point, especially if you have the premium one where it's leather, which ends up cracking after use. But if you have these seat covers on, they're gonna look brand new when you take them off, and the next customer is gonna be willing to pay more. So regardless if you have base or premium, these seat covers are honestly such a good price, and you really get a good quality product. It is so snug, it does not even look like I have seat covers. As y'all can see, you can't even tell. I went with the black leather and the Alcantara middle along with the white stitching. This matches my steering wheel and the rest of my car, which is white. So it looks absolutely amazing. My interior is looking absolutely gorgeous after this mod. I am so happy. I'm gonna drop a link to get this product in my description. Make sure you guys go check out Kustom Interior. They are the only people I see dropping this good of a quality seat covers for the Mustang. It just looks perfect. I mean, I don't know what more to show you guys. The stitching is perfect, as y'all can see. The leather looks good. The Alcantara looks good. I mean, I don't even know what to critique on these people. The installation was as expected. It wasn't the easiest installation. I did have to take the seats out. Y'all are gonna see some of that in the video, but we are not disappointed with what we got. If you guys have any questions regarding these, I've been having them on for like 2 to 3-ish months now. So if you have any questions regarding how it is or how it feels, just drop it in the comments. I'm going to reply to every single person. But I just wanted to drop this quick little video reviewing these seat covers. And in the next video, we're going to do a very, very exciting and interesting mod I think you guys will very much enjoy. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.